In this video, I will show you how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Lovable. To do this, first gonna open up Lovable and go to the project that you want to connect the GoDaddy domain to. For example, I'm just gonna use this one right here. Now for this, you do need to have a premium plan of Lovable. You cannot do it on the free version. So as long as you're paying for one of the Lovable plans, you can do this. So just go to Publish in the top right and click plus custom domain. Then here click connect domain. And from here, click continue, then just enter the domain name of the domain that you bought on GoDaddy. For example, for me, danimakestutorials.live. You can also use a subdomain and then you can make it, for example, shop. Or blog, whatever you want to do. But I'll just do the main domain. From there, click continue. That will analyze your domain, see where you bought it. In this case, that's GoDaddy. And then you have two options. You can authorize with GoDaddy or go to the manual setup. Now I'll just authorize with GoDaddy since this is the simplest way. From there it will redirect you to GoDaddy and then you need to sign in. Now I already have a tab open, so for me it signs me in automatically. You're just going to click on connect. Then you have enabled the connection and it will then automatically add the DNS records and it will then say it's now configured. And typically it takes less than a few hours to go live. However, it can take up to 48 hours, so just click on done. And then again, it can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. So as long as you followed the exact steps that I showed you, you did it correctly, and you just need to wait for a few hours or even again up to 48 hours for it to propagate, and then it will be added in your Lovable project. So now you know how to connect your GoDaddy domain to Lovable. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.